going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet.
Me and Woodbury, we sat, we did room service breakfast this morning because we were just too tired to like get up and go. But tomorrow or Sunday or Monday, we're gonna actually go and like go eat breakfast at the restaurant that they have here. But yeah, we're about to go sit by the pool, maybe dabble to the beach, you know, back and forth. So you'll probably see some iPhone footage from here on out because I'm not bringing the camera, obviously, because I'm trying to be splashing around. I like to swim, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, Val is taking some pictures before we scram. But I think we've had a good morning overall. It's only what, like 11:40, probably 11:50, and we've been up since like 8 or 9.
Yeah,
we've been doing a good job. Okay,
I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories. But I don't even know what's next. But all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
hey guys, it's currently like 4:30, 4:40ish. Honestly, don't know. My watch died, and I said, you know what? I'm not putting it back on. We just ordered room service, so that just got here. Val is in the shower, so I'm just waiting for her to come out so we can eat. And yeah, we went to the beach this morning. Not the beach, we went to the pool. It has like a swim up bar, so we've just been there all morning. I was swinging in a hammock, took a little nap. Oh, it was grand. Tomorrow we're probably gonna go to the beach, but tonight is Val's birthday dinner. She doesn't know where we're going. I found a place on TikTok, and I think it's gonna be a blast. And then we're gonna hit the clubs. Party. So yeah, it's shaping up to be a good vacation. Keith, like I said, his room is right across, so he's taking a little nap because he hasn't slept in like the last 3 days really, and then he really couldn't sleep because he was excited for the trip, so he's trying to like get a quick snooze in. And I think he got room service too. It's so cool. We're able to, like, there's an app for the resort, and you can just order room service from the app. So we ordered it, and it takes about like 40 minutes every time. So I've always been placing my order, like we placed our order while we're still at the pool. So now the food just got here. So yeah, that's what's going on. And I both got pizzas. They're deluxe. Mine just doesn't have mushrooms on it, I think. I think. And then I thought they said a pretzel dog. It's just a regular hot dog. So me and Val are gonna share this though. I just wanted to try the pretzel dog, but we'll see. And they have the cutest little condiments, guys. Look at the little Heinz ketchup and the little mayo. It's so cute. They're so adorable.
Pato, 行くぞ。
You told me you wouldn't keep leaving, little baby, you sorry. You told me you wouldn't keep leaving, little baby, you sorry. You told me you wouldn't keep leaving, little baby, you sorry.
then I'm waiting for it to dry a little more because I think I'm gonna do like a bun back here with half up. But it's looking really good so far. Yeah, I'm very excited about the outcome. Just putting on a little bit of perfumes. I have this little roll-on that my mom gave me, so cute. All right, I'm gonna clean up a little bit because I don't want the house to be a mess when we get back, and then I'm gonna charge my phone for a bit so I can film the rest of this because I'm gonna change. So yeah, I'll see y'all later.
Guys, La Rosa Negra time. Now listen, I found this on TikTok and I was like, okay, we're gonna go. It's gonna be a blast. This was the most insane restaurant ever. This was the bathroom. I went real quick, took a selfie, came out, and this was what was going on. A whole party. They had a drummer. Literally every 30 minutes, something crazy was going on in the restaurant. This burger was a salmon burger, most exquisite thing I've ever had in my life. We was minding our business and all of a sudden it was a whole pyrotechnic show. And let me explain something to you. I had to keep looking over at Keith like, please check how many pesos the meal is gonna cost us, because how are we not paying for this some way, somehow? Because the restaurant was so affordable, but the amount of entertainment that they had was just so insane. I was just like, I know this is coming out of my check somehow. Like, how are we paying for this? I need to know right now. It was crazy. It was beautiful. I had such a good time. I highly recommend this restaurant. And then I found out that they have like a whole branch with different kind of restaurants, and now I want to try them all. Please, if you're in Cabo, go take a moment, just order an Uber and zoom on over there and have the time of your life, because you need to. It was just amazing.